We work as a partner with our customers as a solution provider, and we thank our customers who visited our stall at MASSIA'S Advantage Maharastra 2026 and gave their valuable feedback about us and our product Onsite Nitrogen Gas Plant. We really look forward to work and have a more longer association with them.
As far as Ved is concerned, I know him since last 25 years and he is very energetic person and he has developed a very new concept. Like he is installing his plants for nitrogen generation or other activities at our place and give all the facilities like maintenance, plant generation, everything he provides us, and it is very easy for us also to maintain. So all the best to Ved, and really it's a new concept he has given to all industry.
Ved Gases and Enterprises is a single stop solution for all kind of gases. और सबसे अच्छा solutions उनके पास आइनॉक्स के वगैरह जो I mean 0.999 में अर्गोन लगता था, they are also providing at the very suitable supply chain design as well.
We are using Ved Farms products for last 10 years, and I know Mr. Sunil Ved, who is the very polite person, and their services are really excellent. And I wish all the best for their